In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or a user to your Google Business profile. Whether you run a small business or manage multiple locations, having additional managers can be incredibly beneficial. Managers can help you keep your information up to date, respond to reviews, and much more. So let's dive into how you can easily add a manager or a user to your profile in just a few steps. To get started, make sure you navigate to business.google.com. This is where you'll manage all your business information. Once you're there, you need to sign in. You can find the sign in button in the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure you have the appropriate Gmail account or whatever email you use for your business handy. If you've logged in before, you'll be directed straight to your business page, which saves a bit of time. Now that you're on your business page, look for the menu labeled Business Profile Settings. The menu is represented by a three-dotted vertical line in the upper right corner. Clicking on this will reveal the option you need. Next, you'll want to select Business Profile Settings, which will take you where you manage your account details. Here's where it gets more specific. Look for the section labeled People and Access. This section is crucial as it lets you handle permissions related to your business profile. In the top left corner of the People and Access screen, you will find an Add button. Click on this to start adding someone new. A text box will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. It's important to double check that email to make sure it's correct, as this is how Google will send the invitation. Additionally, before you invite them, you'll have the ability to set their access level. This means you can choose whether they will be an owner or a manager. Owners have more control, which includes managing all aspects of the business profile, so choose wisely based on the responsibilities you want the person to have. Once you've added the email and chosen the access level, the final step is to click Invite. Google will then send an invite to the email you specified, and once accepted, the new user will have the permissions you've assigned. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough process to manage your Google Business profile by adding managers or users who can help keep your business running smoothly. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.